Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And a question that I've got a few times, and I got it today again, is about the European Union DMA, or the Digital Management Act. So this is a rule that actually makes a lot of companies do things that they don't want to do, but they will have to because they have to abide by the rules. And one of them I showed you last week was a ballot to show you which browser you should choose. You want to choose for your iPhone, for example. So no more, Safari is the only thing you see. Now it will ask you which one you want. And of course, I did show you that in Windows 11, there were apps that you could uninstall that were not uninstallable before. One of them, particularly Copilot on Windows 11, is now, you can now uninstall it. But you do have to, Moment 5 needs to be installed on the PC. So you need to have the latest updates. Now, a lot of the questions comes, well, are these things going to come to Windows 10 at some point? Will there be something that, will we be able to uninstall Copilot? And I guess Microsoft got a lot of people asking that question because they thought that they would have to answer it. And what happened is that they kind of blatantly just said, well, we don't plan on any of that right now. And of course, in a further bigger question for a lot of people, it's, okay, but well, all of the programs that you can uninstall, for example, Microsoft Edge is uninstallable with the new rules. Yet Microsoft Edge does not have an uninstall button on either Windows 11 or Windows 10. So that means that, no more, there's no one uninstall, there's nothing you can do about it. Contrary to, I can uninstall the Canary test versions, but you can't uninstall. It's not part of our menu here in North America for Edge. So no, I don't think so. Unless Microsoft decides that it wants to be really, really nice, which I doubt. So this will probably remain mostly in the European Union. And for Windows 10 users, I think it's going to be even worse. Like a lot of things that they gave us the permission to uninstall in Windows 11 will probably not be uninstallable in Windows 10, even though Windows 10 also has to abide by the rules and the European Union and have the uninstall button for Edge and for some of the software. So unfortunately, what Microsoft does somewhere isn't representative of what it is everywhere else. And it's sad, I think, that would have been an occasion to say, well, okay, let's do it for everybody. But obviously, Microsoft wants us to use their software. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.